Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Today we are in our Michigan shop. Excited to introduce you to a brand new product here. This is our Laydown license plate bracket. This is going to be a pretty universal fit for any Harley-Davidson model that uses a 3-point bolting system on the rear license plate. We have this available in black or chrome. It features a sleek 12-degree radius design, which is going to really hug the rear of the fender. This license plate mount also comes in handy if you're going to be using a tour pack on the rear of a model such as this Lowrider ST. It really changes the look instead of this bulky license plate bracket that comes OEM. Today we're here in the shop. We're going to slide over to Alex. He's going to show you just how quick and easy this is to get it on your motorcycle. Let's get into it.
All right guys, pretty simple job. All you're going to need is a short stubby screwdriver, Phillips head, and a 7/16 wrench. You're going to go ahead and start by taking off the license plate. And it will pop out. You can slide it up. Then whatever you got for, screws that hold the bottom of the license plate on, these ones are the OEM, just kind of plastic screw and nut deal. You can just take these off with your hands. All right, so now that you got the plate off, you can go ahead and take this little guy off the rest of the way here. And then just watch this screw here. It's got like a little carrier. It's actually a carrier screw. So it has a square on it, and there's a square here. So when you're undoing that nut, you don't have to put a screwdriver on it or anything because the license plate's there. The next thing you'll want to do, I've seen these screws in these bikes from the factory both ways, where sometimes the nut will be on the top side, sometimes the actual Phillips head will be on the top side. So if the Phillips head is on the top side, it is kind of a little goofy, but you can get a screwdriver in there and loosen them. Why they're not all the same, this is a brand new bike, and I seen another brand new bike, same model, same year, and they were put on two different ways. So what you want to do in this case is go ahead and take your 7/16 wrench, put it on your nut, and then on the underside, get your stubby screwdriver underneath here. Go ahead and take these two nuts off. So there's one there. And the same thing on this one here. All right, so once you got your screws off, you go ahead and pull this piece off. So then again, you go ahead and take this one out. Try and keep this bracket straight so it doesn't scuff your fender up. Then you can go ahead and pull this bracket piece off. All right, so now what you want to do is separate the license plate trim from the license plate bracket. So remove these 4 screws. Like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and mount this on the fender, and it comes with this rubber grommet that's gonna go in between the mount and the fender. So you go ahead and line up your grommet with the 3 holes on the fender. Then go ahead and put your plate over it, the bracket over it, and then reusing your OEM screws and set them in there. Probably easiest to just kind of do one at a time, so hold it with your finger. Then again, your OEM nut on the underside of the fender. Go ahead, same thing for the other 2. And then take your 7/16 on the underside. Go ahead and just kind of give it a little look-see and make sure there's a little bit of play in it. So just make sure you're lined up straight. We'll start with the top one here. All right, now your mounting bracket's on. What you can do is, obviously the plate's gonna be flat, so you can kind of just, give it a little bit of bend just to kind of help it out a little bit, because this is on the actual bracket's on a curve, and you just kind of set it inside there like that. Grab your screws, lined up. It's a 5/32 Allen, and go ahead and just kind of get them started. Best practice to kind of start everything, and then once you got all 4 of them started, go ahead and tighten them down. Now your license plate is laying down.